Hi friends, I am Manikanda Rajan. I am starting with the question, what is science? Science is nothing but what is in the nature world. We are all learned in a science book. Okay, so I am asking a question. E is equal to mc square, F is equal to ma. Both are very familiar concepts, but most of the people can't explain this because their understanding is up to that level. We are here to do science experiment to understand the science concepts better. This is experiment with the water. Okay, I am going to put an egg in water. See what is going to happen. So it will go down because the density of water is lesser than the density of egg. So the egg is went down. Okay, so I am going to put this egg with the salt water. So I am adding some salt with water. Add more as we could. Okay, then stir this well. Okay, then add your egg. Put your egg inside the water. Definitely it will float. If you add more weight also, it will get exploded, right? Because add a salt, then the density of water become more, so the eggs are floating like this. Okay. Due to this density concept, we could see many rubber and wood particles floating on the seawater.